5 bedrooms, nearly 4,000 square feet with a separate ADU. And it's all just steps from downtown Basalt. This Harry Teague designed home is virtually brand new. Built in 2019, every room is full of natural light. This living room with custom wood surround fireplace flows right out to the large patio and terraced gardens. The kitchen features a Mercury range and stovetop, large island, and this wall of alder shelves and cabinets with art lights and floating beams. Dine in a breakfast nook or head through the butler's pantry to the formal dining room. There's even a separate gardening room with direct access to the yard. Also on the main level, this spacious ensuite bedroom. On the upper level, the primary wing with a large bedroom with vaulted ceiling, this gorgeous bathroom with soaking tub, and there's even a separate office with walk-in closet that can be used as another bedroom. Just off the stairs, another ensuite bedroom with floor-to-ceiling custom shelves and library ladder. Also built brand new with the home, this separate ADU with kitchen, family room, loft, and separate bedroom. It's great for overflow, or you can rent it out. And it all looks out to the beautifully landscaped European-style gardens with rock walls and stepping stones. Now, add in other features like radiant heat and solar panels, and you see that this is truly a one-of-a-kind property with the best of Basalt right out your front door. Walk to town for dinner or head to the Frying Pan River for gold medal fly fishing. Come and experience what this charming Basalt home has to offer.